called Electric Instant Electric Water Heater. Its power is 6 kW to 8 kW, 220 volts to 240 volts. When the machine is working, will display heat. Smart constant temperature. Adjustable temperature up to 15.5 degrees. It means the heater is heating. Showing the outlet water temperature. Sample room, sporting OEM, ODM. Authoritative patents and international certification. SGS, TÜV, GCC, CE, CB, ROPS, ETL, ERP, Sabre, and 3C. Positive reviews from overseas buyers since 2018. Material inspection, production, assembly, semi-finished product testing, finished product testing, bench testing, packaging, transportation simulation.